Hey guys, Andrew here. Today we're taking a look at the new HP Spectre X360 15T. This is the top of the line model, which features a Core i7-7500U, Nvidia GeForce 940MX with 2GB of GDDR5, 15.6-inch Ultra HD IPS panel, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 SSD, and the retail price is $14.99 US. The exterior of this laptop is just drop dead gorgeous. On the exterior you got this truffle brown finish with the new HP logo. It's made out of all aluminum, so it definitely feels premium. The bottom panel of this laptop is also made out of aluminum, and you got your intake vents. Thanks to the aluminum construction, the build quality of this laptop is very good. There's hardly any keyboard flex or display flex. The 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD is wicked fast. Everything is just quick and responsive. From boot up times to system response. The interior is just a thing of beauty. You got that same truffle brown aluminum finish, and it's also very thin and light, coming in at 0.7 inches thick and 4.42 pounds. Take a look at that gold trim around all the laptop. This thing is beautiful. You get a very nice port selection for a thin and light laptop. On the left side you got your USB Type A, headset microphone jack combo, power button, exhaust vent, and an SD card reader. On the other hand you got your volume up and down rockers, exhaust vent, full size HDMI, USB Type C, and your Thunderbolt 3/USB Type C port. There are 4 different modes to use this laptop. First mode is your laptop mode, followed by your stand mode. This one you just kick back in bed and watch a couple of episodes of Netflix. Followed by your tent mode. This is probably good for touch-based games and more. And last but not least is your tablet mode. This mode is cumbersome, it's way too big and heavy, but it's there if you need it. For you guys that like to open your laptop with one hand, you're going to need some practice because these hinges are super tight. Hopefully with time they'll loosen up. With that being said, these 360-degree hinges feel durable, and only time will tell how long these last. This laptop features a 15.6-inch 4K IPS touchscreen panel that looks gorgeous. It has an sRGB rating of 94% and 73% of Adobe RGB, and the brightness settings were pretty good overall, coming in at 341 nits. The touchscreen panel is highly responsive, scrolling and multi-touch was right on target. The only knock I can find on the HP Spectre panel is the extremely reflective glossy coating. See how it compares to the 15-inch MacBook Pro. Hopefully in the future we'll see a better reflective coating going forward. The new Spectre now includes HP's Active Stylus pen. Here you can use it for the notepad, sketchpad, or even some more apps in the Microsoft Online Store. Here's a quick sample of the pen. So far it's very precise. See how let me press down firmly? Very smooth. This is going to bring some serious competition to the Microsoft Surface laptop. Take a look at the strokes here. Light strokes. Overall, HP really upped the ante with this laptop, and I bet Microsoft is keeping an eye on it. There's no fingerprint reader with this laptop, but with Windows Hello, you can log in very easily. The glass-based trackpad is powered by Synaptics, and it does a pretty good job overall. 2-finger scrolling and multi-touch is pretty responsive. The keyboard on this laptop is well spaced out, and the feedback from these keys and key travel is decent for a laptop this thin and light. Now the one thing I didn't really like about this keyboard was the backspace key and home key were way too close to each settings, and so far I'm getting an average around 60 to 75 frames per second, which is pretty good for a low-end card like the 940MX. This laptop has a 2-fan setup and is very quiet during light to medium usage, but when you're playing games or doing some intense CPU usage, you'll see the fans creep up to around 48 decibels. The latest Spectre X360 features 4 top-facing speakers powered by Bang & Olufsen, and damn, they sound great. The mids and highs are tuned just about right, and the sound quality is loud and crisp. One of the best sounding laptops in the market.
We are breaking free.
This laptop features a 6-cell, 79.2 watt-hour battery pack, getting roughly 6 to 7 hours of casual usage. That's pretty impressive. NVMe SSD. Alright guys, this completes my full review of the 2017 HP Spectre X360 15T. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think it's reasonably priced, overpriced, and do you plan on getting one? Alright guys.